In the twilight of the ancient world, a shadow of despair loomed over the fabled Library of Alexandria. The repository of the greatest human knowledge that spanned millennia, it stood as an immortal testament to the intellect and curiosity of mankind. But fate, like an unrelenting tide, was about to shatter this bastion of wisdom. The year was 48 BC, and the Roman general, Julius Caesar, had set his sights on Egypt. His conquest of Gaul had made him a legend, and now he sought to extend his empire to the east. As he approached the shores of Egypt, the people of Alexandria, fearing an invasion, turned to their protector, the Ptolemaic dynasty. Ptolemy XIII, the young pharaoh, was no match for Caesar's military might. Faced with the prospect of defeat, he sought to save face and protect his legacy. In a desperate gambit, he ordered the destruction of the library, hoping to deny Caesar the spoils of Alexandria's intellectual treasure. Caesar, a man of culture and learning, was dismayed by this act of folly. He had counted on the library as a symbol of unity, a beacon that would bind the people of Alexandria to Rome. But the fire had been lit, and the library stood no chance against the relentless flames. The flames danced and leaped, consuming the scrolls and books that housed the cumulative knowledge of centuries. Scholars and philosophers watched in horror as their life's work went up in smoke. The library, once a symbol of human achievement, was now a funeral pyre for the wisdom of the ages. In the aftermath, the echoes of the library's former glory lingered. The world lost a vast repository of knowledge, a loss that would be felt for generations. But the spirit of the library lived on, inspiring future scholars and thinkers to rebuild and preserve the wisdom of the ancients. The burning of the Library of Alexandria was a tragic event, a testament to the fleeting nature of human achievement. Yet, it also served as a reminder of the importance of preserving knowledge, a lesson that resonates to this day. In the annals of history, the Library of Alexandria stands as a symbol of the heights we can achieve when we seek knowledge, and the depths we can plunge when we fail to value it. The flames may have destroyed the library, but they could not extinguish the flame of curiosity that burns within us all.